And place metal clips on the back side of the face frame. Make sure they don't overlap the grooves. Then, take the face frame and place a bead of glue in the grooves. Place the side panels of the cabinet into the grooves on the face frame. Fasten them down using the metal clips. Now slide the bottom panel into place using the grooves on the side panels. Now fasten the toe kick to the front of the cabinet. Begin by placing the metal clips Set the back panel of your cabinet into place. Make sure the bottom of the cabinet slides into the notch on the back panel. Fasten down the back panel of the cabinet using large screws in the pre-existing screw holes. Finish fastening the back panel to the cabinet using the metal clips on the inside of the cabinet. Attach the L brackets to the cabinet using the pre-drilled holes on the back panel of the cabinet. Attach the corner brackets to the top 4 corners of the cabinet using 2 screws each. Then we will proceed by sliding the drawer glides onto the brackets. Make sure the front of the glide is even with the front of the face frame. Then we want to attach it to the side of the face frame. Set the drawer front face down. Place a dab of glue in each tooth. Using a rubber mallet, lightly pound each drawer side into place. Line up the teeth in the grooves of the drawer front to the teeth in the grooves on each side. Slide the drawer floor into the parallel grooves on the inside of the drawer. Make sure it fits into the groove on the drawer front. Place the drawer back, notch side down, teeth inward between the left and right sides of the drawer walls. Now take your drawer connectors and put them in the corners of your drawer and fasten them down. Set your drawer on the glides, then snap them into place using the glide connectors. Place all the shelf clips on the inside of the cabinet. Next, place the shelves in place and press them down until they click into place. Place the door face down and set each hinge into place. Line up the corresponding screw holes on the door with the corresponding holes on the hinge. Secure the hinges to the door with 2 medium screws per hinge. Line up the corresponding holes on the hinges with the corresponding holes on the face frame and fasten them down using 1 large screw each.